forget to subscribe to my channel to be a part of the Peach Pack and tap on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload. I'm also super duper active on Instagram and I share about my personal life over there. So follow me on Instagram to connect better with me. I'm going to start taking little strands, like very tiny strands of hair, and start straightening it out. This is like, honestly, this is like a lot of work. If you are a mother, you definitely need the cooperation of your partner in this so that they can take care of the child, and you can do this for the entire day. You need at least half a day for this. I have to say that. At least half a day for this, for sure. So I'm just gonna, naturally, on a regular basis, how I smoothen my hair, like how I straighten my hair, I'm just, fumbling between smoothening and straightening so much in this video. So how I naturally straighten my hair, I'm gonna do that, taking tiny strands like this. Trying to go close to the roots. See, from this point onwards, I am not in a hurry. I was in a hurry when I was putting in the cream, but now I am not in a hurry. I can do my work taking a lot of time. Just carefully. In the front, I'm just being a little bit more careful so that the front hair really looks pretty after the entire thing is done. Okay. I never pull too much on my hair. I just do it gently. I never give myself pain, and even when I got the smoothening done in the parlor, they did not cause any pain to me, I'll be honest to you. He was just very gentle on my hair. Maybe because my hair is very thin. Probably that's why. Careful with the ear. Don't burn your ear in this entire process. Just stay careful about it. The entire idea of this video is whether or not we can do our own straightening single-handed. That's what the idea of this video is. I'm just checking if I'm reaching the roots properly or not, like near the roots. Girl, I have spent just around, like what, 2,000 rupees on my products, and I'm saving on the rest 10,000 rupees for getting it done from someone else. Honestly, this is like such a good feeling, saving 10,000 rupees. If I would, like in Hyderabad, if I would have got it done anywhere, I think 10,000 would have been an easy price range for getting the smoothening done. This is literally like an arm workout. Honestly, my arms are hurting so much right now. You know what, I want to tell you something, that the last time I got my smoothening done, he did not do the back hair properly, especially just above the neck. So I don't know, this time maybe me doing it myself, I'll be able to do it well. So I think this side is completely done, and I'll tell you what, because we don't touch our hair in the salon when they do it, it does feel like elastic right now. So a neutralizer will settle things in for sure. And I have shown you this side completely how I'm doing it. I'll do the rest of the half because I don't know, it'll be just, this will make the video too long. So I'll do the rest half and then I will be back. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like right now, and what I'm doing is that I'm picking up strands at the back. Though I have done it sideways, still I would like to pick up some strands at the back and straighten them so that they look smooth. And you know, just because I definitely would have missed the root area at the back, so what I'm doing is picking them up like this. I know I'm too noisy, I'm sorry. And quickly just picking up a little bit at the back and quickly smoothing near the roots. Okay, yeah, so that nothing is left behind to be smoothened. Just don't want that to happen. Okay, so now this is what my hair is looking like. Let me brush it once. Ooh, not a good feeling, not a good feeling. Feels like elastic. Very gently, nicely. Let me also check once if everything is fine. Yeah. Yes, I think it's okay now. Yeah. So this is what my hair is looking like at the back. My haircut definitely needs some work for sure. This is my hair on the front, so I'll just pour the neutralizer in and we'll get back into the same loop of blow drying the hair after the neutralizer, washing, blow drying, and then straightening. Let's start putting the neutralizing cream in the hair. Again, same process, taking small strands. By the way, the neutralizing cream is much more flowy than the smoothening cream. So this is more like a drugstore conditioner, and that one was like a hair mask. I'm not looking the most glamorous in this video, that's for sure. The neutralizer is heating up on my hands and on my hair. Whew. Okay. I really hope I do not end up ruining my hands by the end of this video. A little bit here. Let's start here quickly, and I need to pour more. I had poured half of it, but I'm pouring more now. It's not bothering me in a way that my face or anything or my scalp, but yes, on my hands when I'm touching it, when I'm touching my hair, it is bothering me because yeah, it's turning hot. It's turning hot for sure. I think I'm pretty much done everywhere. Let me just check. I'm gonna wash my hands. Keep the hair away. Like it's heating up for some time, but now again it's cold. You get my point? Like it's heating up for a little bit. Maybe like, I don't know. Maybe like for 3-4 minutes and then it's cold again. So I'm gonna wash everything. I'm a total mess right now. And I'm gonna keep this in my hair for another 30 minutes. By the way, there are only safety instructions on it. There are no how to use instructions on it. That's not fair, L'Oreal. You're literally like making a monopoly over here by giving that information out only to the parlors or the salon people. Alright, since the neutralizer is in my hair, I thought I should, talk about a few things. I started the process at 10 minutes to 12, which was when I was cutting my hair, and after that I took a bath and then did the entire process in front of you. I think by 3:30 I guess or 3:45 I will be done. It is a lot of work. Your arms hurt. It feels like an arm workout, to be honest. But in the end, you're saving so much of money by doing this on your own. Yeah, please just ignore this patch. I have this patch from past 1 year. Can't do anything about it. So that's the thing. And due to this arm workout, I'm unable to hold my phone even right now. I'm just finding it difficult to hold the mobile up. So I'm just gonna take a break from everything, sit down, relax for these 30 minutes, wash my hair, and then I will be back with you guys after the neutralizer is rinsed off from my hair. Okay, so I have washed the neutralizer off my hair. I have completely rinsed it off and my hair is feeling very smooth right now. I am again going to blow dry and straighten my hair with a straightening iron once the hair is completely dry. I do not feel the need of showing it now because I've already shown you in the first step when I did both the things. So I'll just jump on to, after doing all of this, I'll come back to the screen and I will talk more about what I'm feeling after that and how my hair is looking, because it's really important to show you guys the end result. And this is not it. I will log in again after 3 days. After 3 days, when I wash my hair, I will do like I'll show you properly on a DSLR what my hair is looking like. Listen, I said I will not put in a clipping, but I have to tell you that my hair is already drying down quite straight, and I think after straightening with an iron, they'll turn out just perfect. Honestly, it's looking pretty straight right now and I'm pretty happy with the straightness of my hair, but I just want to add an extra step to it. So I'll just, for my satisfaction, I will smoothen it and leave it on for 3 days. I can't believe it, guys. I'm coming up here and talking again and again, even after saying that I'll skip this step, because I'm feeling so proud right now that I have done it without losing my hair. I was literally like, that horror in my mind that if I do it on my own, I'll end up just doing this and my hair will come in my hand in chunks. So that was a nightmare that I was almost considering when I was considering doing it on my own, but it has turned out really well and I'm really happy that I have finally successfully done it. But we will consider this is like half success right now. We will consider it to be a full success when after 3 days I wash my hair and I show you my hair without blow drying or heat drying or whatever, if it dries down on itself this way. So that is when we will call it a full success. Okay, so this is what my hair is finally looking like. This is the front, the side, and let me show you the back as well. Yeah, so this is the back. What I do is I pick up hair strands from here and I keep ironing them So yeah, I always make that extra effort over here. So this is what the hair is finally looking like, and I'll see you after 3 days. This is a very tiring, like you need patience and a lot of effort for this, for sure, when you're doing it on your own, but it's so worth it. I know this, that it's worth it for the next 1 year. So I'll see you after 3 days. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I too was very nervous when I was doing this. I was really scared and horrified that I will lose hair in chunks, but that did not happen. Thankfully, I'm sitting here with healthy looking hair, and I am much happier with what I have done to my hair instead of getting it done from a salon. But another thing is that this is only possible when you have short hair and you are very used to straightening your hair, plus you have the tools at home. Only then this is going to be an affordable option for you to do it at home. If you do not have the tools like a hair dryer and a hair straightening iron, so then in that case this process is going to be just it is going to be expensive for you. Either you'll have to borrow things from someone, maybe from a cousin or friend. If not, and if you don't have the option of borrowing from someone, then I think this is going to be very expensive for you. But I really hope that this video gives everyone who does not afford it from the salons and does not want to visit salons, gives them the courage of doing it at home by their own or with the help of their sisters, mothers, whosoever. So I really hope that this video helps you that way. If you liked it, enjoyed it, and if you're still here watching me and liking me, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Be My Peaches. Till then, keep looking beautiful and have a great day all. Bye bye.